In today's video, I want to share with us what you will do so that that evil man, evil woman tormenting your life will confess and die. So I want to talk about this powerful recipe that will render your enemies powerless, that will make them lifeless if they don't confess. They will either confess or they will join their ancestors. These are the two things involved in this recipe. You either confess and stay alive, or you go beyond the world beyond. So all you need to do for me is to get a bottle like this. You can see what I have here is water. You can use any kind of water, but the one I have here is rainwater. But if you cannot get rainwater, get any kind of water. What water signifies in this ritual is everybody drinks water, and everybody, your blood is made up of a higher percentage of water. So there is no way you can do without water. You cannot run away from water. You bath with water, you drink with water, you cook with water. Everything you do in your life, water must come in. So anybody that is after your life, once the person drinks water, the thing will choke the person if the person does not free you. So another thing you're going to get is sand. This is my sand. Any kind of sand. See sand, the sand on the road, the sand from your compound. Sand is sand. Just get me sand. Okay, sand. That is what you need for this prayer. Then another thing you need is pepper. This is my pepper chili. For those that will start asking what is pepper, chili, the one you use in cooking. Any type of chili you have, the one that hot very well, that is what you need for this ritual. Then another thing you're going to get is your pen and a piece of paper. What this piece of paper signifies, if you know the name of the person, maybe some of them will say, if I don't do you this, I will call me so name. If you know that person's name, write it here. But if you don't know, just write any man, any woman after my life. There are some in your place of work, they don't want you to drink water and keep cup. When they see you, look as you let the ground open so that you enter today to die and die, but they will be the one to enter that ground. No man, no woman born of a woman can harm you. Rather, if they try it, they will confess and go the world beyond. If they don't confess, they must confess or they will repent. This is two things involved. So what you're going to do, when you write any man, any woman after my life, confess or you die. Or if you wanted to confess and die, that's another one. If there's some people that say, okay, let the person confess and die, good. If you just wanted to confess and still be alive, just write it here. Or if you wanted to be disgraced or be caught red-handed when they are planting their jars, you can still say it. There are some people, they say, I want to catch that person with my two eyes or with my two hands. Write it here. I want to see the person after my life. I want God to expose that person. So what do? After writing the instruction on the paper, get your water, get a good quantity of pepper. Then sand. What the sand signifies is the person cannot run away from water and the person cannot run away from the sand. So anytime, if any man, any woman that is after my life, then any day you stand on sand, any evil man, any evil woman that is after my life, any day you stand on the ground that you want to do anything to me, my family, my children, you will confess and die. This will be your prayer. Then after that, take the pepper, add it to the water, take the sand, add it to the water, fold the paper you wrote those things and put it inside this container. What do? You begin to shake it, begin to pray. As I'm shaking this, you will never have peace. Anywhere you are trying to kill me, trying to deal with me, trying to take away my glory, trying to destroy my family, trying to destroy my marriage. Even some people that their husband is no longer staying with them, they've gone to stay with a side chick, and you feel that the side chick is using jazz on your husband. Please do this recipe. So anywhere you are, anywhere you have gone to destroy my family, my marriage, you will never have peace until you confess, until you leave my husband, until you leave my marriage, until you leave my family. Keep saying the things you want to happen to that evil man or evil woman. If you feel your sickness is spiritual and you don't know who is after you, just do this recipe. Say, as you are trying to kill me, you will be the one to die first. Any man, any woman that is responsible for this, my sickness, for my predicament, for my poverty, for my setback, for my stagnation, for everything that is happening to you, name them, that you must confess or you die, or confess and die, depending on the command you want. After doing it, this water, you know that by the time you finish doing it, the pepper will be very soft. Keep it in your house for 7 days. On the 8th day, just go and pour out the water anywhere. You will not match it immediately. Just pour it maybe anywhere you know you will not step on it immediately, okay, until the sun dries it up. By the grace of God, that evil man, evil woman will not survive this. Anytime they want to do anything evil to you and they test water, you will hear the story, or they step on the ground, because they must step on the ground to do anything they want to do on you. So by the time they try to mention your name, you will hear stories. This is very simple but very, very powerful. Try it and make sure you share your testimony under my comment section or on my WhatsApp number. I've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one.